Qala ibhola lobhutshuzwayo sithola ke zithi Castelaka ivalilise iBafana Bafana njengamaqhawe eDP Wanderers Stadium ibungaza ukweseka ungaguquki kwabalandeli baseNingizimu Afrika ngaphambi komkhankaso weBafana Bafana wendebe yomhlaba.
iCastelaka ibisindleke imibhiyozo yokuthi indlela enhle kuBafana Bafana ngaphambi kokuba intingele eMexico kwindebe yehlabathi ka-2026. Apho bekungungelene khona amaqala weBafana, abalandeli kunye neqela eli liza ukudlala. Abasindle kunye nabalandeli baye baphawula kule mibhiyozo.
It was really a very special day. I think bringing the country together, seeing the players here on stage, I think was really important. It's a historic moment for us to send off Bafana Bafana to this World Cup. And as a sponsor of the team, a long-standing sponsor since 1992, we are very, very proud of them and what they've achieved, and we wish them all the best.
Mina ngithi Bafana Bafana as baqualifyile abaphushwanga baqualifyile, which means Bafana Bafana is the best, and I know bazophuma kuma group stages because ubonile the way badlala ngakhona besine game yesterday Bafana Bafana badlale draw. So mina ngithi ngiyabonga the way badlale ngakhona bayabonisa ukuthi boyo compete ku World Cup and they are going to compete with the best, and nabo are the best.
We have an unfinished business, first of all. Let's start there. Unfinished business against Mexico. Remember during the 2010 World Cup, we gave them a point here. That was not supposed to be. And by the virtue of hosting the World Cup in 2010, that is why we qualified. But this time around, we qualified fair and square. We're not going there to make jokes, my friend. No. And there's only one coach in South Africa, which is Hugo Bruce. We can be all coaches. You can be a coach. I can be a coach. But there's only one coach. We are saying to the players, go out there and fly the South African flag very high.
Umxholo lomsitho bumalunga nentembeko kunye nenkxaso yabalandeli engagunqiyo. Kwaye kubalekile oku nanjengoko lingeyonto iqela lesizwe ngaphandle kwezithwele zalo. Ndinguthami Manganya weendaba zemidlalo kwiSoweto TV.